You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word from Italian, which is Italian for the sea. So it's quite important to know. If you want to learn more useful vocabulary from Italy, stay tuned. And cuisine, Italian cuisine too, stay tuned. Mare is your Italian pronunciation here. Mare. How to say the sea. Sea in Italian. Mare. Il mare. Il mare is the sea in Italian. How to pronounce Italian pronunciation. Mare. In English, mare. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.